We interrupt your programming for a civil emergency bulletin. A passenger plane that has been unresponsive for 20 minutes is currently flying above the southeastern Michigan area at 30,000 feet. Air traffic controllers had lost contact with the plane nearly an hour ago just before entering the Metro Detroit Airport airspace. The flight is from Dallas and was scheduled to land at 5:30 p.m. It is unknown at this time of the reason the plane is unresponsive. The United States Department of Defense has ordered fighter jets from Selfridge National Guard Base to reach the plane for an attempt to make contact. The plane is currently on autopilot and is circling around the southeastern Michigan area. Residents in this area are asked to stay alert and stay tuned for updates on your local channels.
We interrupt your programming for a civil emergency bulletin. A passenger plane that is unresponsive is currently flying on autopilot above the southeastern Michigan area. Air traffic controllers had lost contact with the plane nearly 1 hour and 40 minutes ago. Fighter jets from Selfridge National Base had reached the plane at a close proximity. Frosted windows from the inside the cockpit has been reported and passengers inside are unresponsive. The National Transportation Safety Board has predicted this as cabin pressure loss or hypoxia. All families who may have relatives in this flight are asked to call Detroit Metro Airport at 1-888-555-3825. The plane is currently on autopilot and is circling Wayne County and southern Oakland County. All residents of those counties and also the cities of Romulus and Allen Park are asked to stay indoors. This concludes this alert from the Emergency Alert System. We interrupt your programming for a civil emergency bulletin. The unresponsive passenger plane has crashed at the freeway interchange of Interstate 94 and Interstate 75 on the northeast corner of downtown Detroit. The plane had crashed at 8:40 p.m. All persons who are currently attending events, exiting or entering the downtown Detroit area are highly advised to seek alternative routes. The Detroit Police Department, Fire Department and Michigan Department of Transportation are at the scene of the crash and are advising citizens to stay away from the area. Again, the unresponsive passenger plane has crashed at the freeway interchange of Interstate 94 and Interstate 75 on the northeast corner of downtown Detroit at 8:40 p.m. All residents nearby or persons in the downtown Detroit area are advised to seek alternative routes. Stay tuned for further updates from your local WFUQ news station. This concludes this emergency alert system serving the southeastern Michigan area.